Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue one more application video for TH Köln itself, but for the course Communication Systems and Networks. So this is what. So if you remember, when we did our summer semester requirement analysis from TH Köln, we had a course that we had started or done a requirement analysis, which is communication system and network, but in the summer semester I didn't had time to apply for it, so that's the reason I couldn't apply. But now in winter semester we are applying, and it is starting from February 15th and ending on March 31st. So that's the reason I thought, okay, we have like 11 days of time, so I can make two videos. One is today and one is on Friday, so that you will guys also have time to see this video, apply for it, so that this college will also covered for you. As told, today I will be showing you how to apply to TH Köln for Communications and System Engineering course via Uni-Assist. At first we will go through the requirement analysis of in the TH Köln page itself, because we have done already for that website. Now after that I will again show you how to create a Uni-Assist My Assist portal. After that we will select the course that we wanted in the particular college, then we will put that in our inbox. In the second part of the video I will just show you how to fill in the mandatory questions that they have asked, then what are the documents that we need to attach. At last we will submit the application. This is what we have planned for 2 videos. Other than that, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need, so that they can also look into our videos, check out our requirement analysis video, check out our detailed application videos that we are doing, then apply for themselves. This is what I just wanted to let you guys know before I get started. After that, you can just come here and search for the TH Köln University official website. Then you can go into their official website, where you can also check for English and Deutsch pages. But after that, and here you can click on international. Once you clicked on international, you can just see the international degree programs that they are offering. So in the international degree programs, you can click on international degree, which are taught exclusively in English. Inside that, we had done a requirement analysis and detailed application procedure or application video for automation and IT, which is previous 2-3 videos. But today we will be going through communication systems and networks. That is what we are going to do, or we have done already a requirement analysis video in the last summer. Please check out the episode number 5. That is what we have done for that. But today we are doing requirement analysis in the official website of them. Here you can just also look for their program content. So this is the program content that they are offering, and they have detailedly mentioned what are the modules that you're gonna do in each semester, and also how 3-semester course is structured. And it is 3-semester course, and it will be 90 credit. Here you can just see communication system and networks. As I told you, if it is 3-sem course, then it will be for 90 credits. Primary language is completely in English, and Master of Science it is. There is no restricted admission, no. So people who all are having requirements that they're asking, then everybody will get an admission. So there is no restricted admission. Restricted means that they will have only like 30 seats, 40 seats. Then they will also go through interview process to shortlist the people, then take the admissions. But in the non-restricted admissions, then they will give admissions to all the people who are inside the requirements, who have passed the requirements, and the count will be like more, which will be like 100-120 people they can give admissions. So communication systems, as I told you, here you can also see the admission requirement, international to applicants, but we are more important or interested in the requirements. So that's the reason you can just see successful applicants who will hold a university degree in suitable field or technical field with a minimum ECTS of 210. So people who have done in VTU, they will have 200 ECTS, and if not, if you have around 180 ECTS, which is general in India, most of the college will have around 180 ECTS, then you can also do or show the remaining ECTS by your work experience, certifications, any other course, co-curricular activities, internship that you have done. So from there also you can get the extra ECTS that you have done. A degree program is deemed suitable that it includes the modules of the field mathematics, physics, electrical engineering, computer science, at least worth of 110 credits. So that's what I'm just saying. So they want these things should be at least 110 credits. So people who have done any of the electrical engineering, electronics communication, electronic telecommunication will have 110 credits for sure covered in these basic topics, so no need to worry. If applicants not meet all the requirements stated above, they can only be admitted under the condition that they will make up the missing prerequisites before registering the master thesis. See, as I told you. So say example, if you have 180 ECTS, then they need 210 ECTS. Okay, then you will have a condition that you need to finish extra ECTS. If they ask you to, then after going there you have to finish extra 30 ECTS by doing some other courses. That's it. So but you will get an admission. So this is not a strict requirement. So usually everybody will ask for 210 ECTS or 200 ECTS, but not all bachelor college will have 200 ECTS curriculum. So people who have less also, don't worry, just apply. You will also get a conditional admit. Your profile is so good, then they will tell you how you have to pursue. Before you do the master thesis, you have to finish some of the extra courses compared to others. That's it. To do so, you are required to take at least certain courses of bachelor level that usually in the case of applicants with the undergraduates worth less than 210 ECTS than 110 credits which were obtained in this suitable field. So what they're saying is, if you have a degree which is 180 ECTS, then you are left with 40 ECTS. Then they will pick or tell you guys to pick their bachelor degree courses which will counts up to 40 ECTS based on the either by suitable field or by some of the other fields. So you have to do their bachelor degree courses which are up to 40 ECTS along with your master degree courses that you have to do. Applicants who have not yet graduated for suitable undergraduate program may be admitted and enrolled if they can prove that time of application that day. This is what I just told in last video also. If you are in 7-semester program almost and finishing in 6 months, then you need to prove them that you will be finishing in next 6 months, then they can give the admission. Then are less than 30 credits away from graduating. So that is, if you have accumulated 150 out of 180 credits in 6-semester program or 179 out of 210 in 7-semester program. If applicants have accumulated less than above stated number of credits, the examination board will decide on the case by case basis. Additionally, a current grade average of 2.3 and better should be needed. So they will agree until the 0.30 credits in between. If you're left with one semester, then only they can consider you and your grade is less than 2.3 and better, then they will consider and give you admission. But if say example 180 ECTS is your course degree and you have done 120, then for sure you will get a rejection because you have to do 60 credit points still. So they are saying their risk appetite is 30 credit itself. So people who are in the 30 credit points remaining, then they can apply with the better grade of 2.3, which is 2.3 and less, then they will get give you admission if your profile is matching. Other than that, you need to have a English language proficiency. IELTS 6 is needed. Overall IELTS 6 band is enough, so you don't need to worry about individual parts. Another requirement is submission of compelling motivation letter. As I told you, you need to submit motivation letter, otherwise they're gonna reject your application. Other than that, you need to have a proof of English language proficiency. There is no need because student which are taught in completely English, then they don't need to apply it. People who are applying from EU nations in German applicants, then they can use their internal website called camps and apply. And people who are applying non-EU are allowed to work or apply via Uni-Assist. As I told you, winter semester 2025-2026 will start in mid-February and it is still July. But I guess for this particular course I had written 31st March. So we will think in 31st March as a deadline. As I told you here, I would say think as 31st March is the deadline and please apply faster so that you will get the admission fast. So then you can click on Uni-Assist. Once you clicked on Uni-Assist, you can directly go to My Assist. After in the My Assist, you can sign in. So people who have account already, then please sign in directly. People who don't have account, then please click on create an account. In create an account, please fill in all these email address, passwords. After creating an account, you will also have to fill in the so many previous educational details and other things. But if you are not sure how to fill, what are the things to fill, then we have a dedicated 3 parts videos for Uni-Assist, how to set up My Assist and also how to apply for a VPD. Please check out that 3 videos or 3 parts and you will get to know what we are talking about. Then I will fill in my details here and we will log in. Now we have given our email address and password which we have used or which we have used when creating an account. Then you can click on sign in. Once you have clicked on sign in, you can just see we are in our Uni-Assist website. And the semester that we're going to search is winter semester 2025-2026 and the college that we are looking for is TH Köln. and here it is technical Hochschule Cologne. Then you can directly search for it. Once you search for it, type of degree, we will select it as master degree. After that, you can just see we have done a video in the previous time, it is automation and IT. So today we will be doing communication system and networks. You can click on select. Once you clicked on select, in the inbox or in the selection list, you can just see you have the new admission for technical Hochschule Cologne for automation and IT. This is what we have done previously, and this is the communication system and networks, which is our new application. But I am not removing the automation and IT because I want to show you how handling fees will differ from one application to another. As I told you, if you are applying in a winter semester, then the first application will be 75 euros and second application onwards it will be 30 euros. Okay, but this is only for one particular semester. Then if you apply for next summer semester, again the first application will be 75 always. Okay, now we will remove it. So automation and IT I have removed. We will apply the communication system and networks for TH Köln, and in the second part of the video I will show you how to fill in the unanswered mandatory questions. Then at the end we will upload the documents and submit the application in the second part. So see you in the second part. Until then, take care. Bye bye.